Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss two important problems related to maxima and minima, right? And here we'll solve these two problems and we'll see a quick method how to find the maximum and minimum value of these two expressions, right? So let us start. Now here we have to first find the maximum and minimum value of this expression, that is 2 sine square x plus 5 times cosec square x, right? And in the second problem, we have to find the maximum and minimum value of this expression, that is 9 times sine 4x plus 4 divided by sine square x, right? So here we'll see a very short method or a quick method how to find the maximum and minimum values of these type of expressions, right? And we'll also see the general formula or the general result to get the maximum and minimum values of these type of expressions. Now let us first see the general expression, right? Suppose we have an expression like p times sine square theta, and here we have q times cosec square theta, right? So whenever we have an expression of this kind, then the minimum value of this expression is 2 times square root of the product of p and q, right? So the minimum value of this type of expression can be written directly as 2 times square root of the product of this number p and this number q, right? And the maximum value of this type of expression is infinite, right? So this is an important result regarding the maximum and minimum value of this type of expression, right? So now let us apply this result to get the direct value of the maximum and minimum value of these two expressions. So now let us first see this expression. So if we compare this expression with this one, then the value of P is 2 and the value of Q is 5, right? So the minimum value of this expression is 2 times square root of the product of P and Q. So here we have the value of P as 2 and the value of q as 5, right? So we get 2 times square root of 10, right? So the minimum value of this expression is 2 times square root of 10, and the maximum value of this expression can be directly written as infinity. Now let us consider this expression, right? So here let us first simplify this expression. So we can write this expression as 9 times sine raised to 4 x, and here we have 4, and we can distribute sine square x over 9 times sine 4x plus 4. So here we have sine square x and here we have sine square x, right? So here this sine square x and this sine square x get cancelled, so we are left with 9 times sine square x, and here we have 4 times 1 over sine x is cosec x, so this is the cosec square x, right? So now this expression takes this form, right? And this form is similar to this one, and if we compare this expression with this one, then the value of p is 9 and the value of q is 4, right? So the minimum value of this expression or this expression is 2 times square root of the product of p and q. So here we have 9 times 4, so this is 2 times square root of 36, so this is 2 times 6, so this is 12, right? and the maximum value of this expression or this expression can be directly written as infinity, right?